Hey YouTube, I want to show you a video of my 97 Chevy Tahoe cold start. This is the Tahoe that I bought for 900 bucks. And I put a new engine in it. I need a new engine. This was the old engine out of it, right here. The crankshaft bearing was bad and it had a knock in it. So you could just take this and you could squeeze the timing chain and it'll move the crankshaft up and down. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. So I had an engine for it. So I took it out and I took it all apart, cleaned it, sanded it, and repainted it. It's a Chevy 350. I'll show you. I painted it Chevy orange, the block Chevy orange, and then the valve covers gloss black. The block and heads are Chevy orange. You can see down there. I'll put the light on there. Yeah, I can't see it. But this, the air conditioner, is going to be painted Chevy orange like the alternator. But I need to rebuild the alternator. It stopped working. And then I just got to repaint it because we put some scratches in it. And then paint the alternator and the air conditioning. And then it's all painted. It's a Vortex 350. Let's do a full start here. Yeah, do a walk around. Walk around. Yeah, this thing has no rust on it. It's got just a tiny bit right here. That's just from the paint chipping away. That's really easy to fix. Just sand it, put some more paint on it, and then right here on the back door, there's a hole, but I could easily fix that. The thing is all black. It's got tinted windows, so it looks like an FBI truck going down the road. Does not have dual exhaust yet. I will be putting dual exhaust on it and bigger tires, like my Scottsdale. Let's look at the inside. It's got leather interior, or vinyl, or whatever you want to call this stuff. It has power seats. It has a shitload of cup holders. It's got two there, two right there, two more down here, and I think two in between the seats. It only has turn the light on. 154,920 miles on it. It has no radio, but I have a good one for it. What's going on? Let's look at the back. These seats fold down like that, so you just easily just grab this, pull up on it. Then you fold the seat down and it looks like that. And then you have a lot of space back here for tools if you want to go to the drive-in. Then you can open the doors. So let me go back here quick. You can open them so they're nice and big and lay down and watch a movie at the drive-in. So yeah, 900 bucks. Oh, I'll show you these lights I put on it. There's 6 of them that goes all the way across. Here, hold this and I'll go turn them on. I don't have them hooked up with the toggle switch yet, but I just gotta wire them on. Yeah, there's my 97 Tahoe. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you like this truck or whatnot, what I should do to it. Thanks for watching.